Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. So any error in Microsoft Store, so how to resolve? Firstly guys, click to start button, click to setting, then in system, slow down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, slow down, Windows Store app, click to run. So please wait few minutes because Windows find out what is the troubleshoot, what is the issues in store. Look at to store icon has come. Then I am giving you a second solutions. Second solution is again guys, click to start button, type set, click to setting, then click to app, then app and features, then store, scroll down and Microsoft Store, 3 tab to click, advanced, scroll down. Firstly you click to repair, let's check to this is right options, then click to reset, reset, also doing this. Let's check to also type. Now I am giving you third solutions. Third solution is guys, click to file explorer, then PC, C drive, user, then your username folder. So user 101, this is my username. Okay, then click to properties, just a second, click to 3 tab, options, view, show hidden file folder. Okay, then app, then you do this process and then come to automatically app data, then open this local machine, right click to properties, and click to user, edit user, and please check to and give to all, otherwise you just add everyone EVE and check num. Okay, and give to permission to full control. Okay, in process will 5 to 6 minutes your, then apply and okay. Then guys, you install any critical antivirus, so please uninstall, otherwise you just right click to disable, because some antivirus blocking to Microsoft service and Microstore service, that's why it's not install any app, and coming error has coming. Okay, so guys, check all, do all step. Okay, then comment me your problem is solved or not.